Pink hive, look at that good brood. Spring is here. Pink hive, look at all this brood they've got going here. Big pollen pants on that one. Right there's the queen, if you can see it. Try and get it close to the camera. You see the queen there? And they still have lots of honey. Lots of dead small hive beetles in there. White hive. They got some brood here, as you can see. Not a ton, but doing much better than they were before. Again, more brood. Small patches of it, but still looking good. A lot of pollen. You can see there's the queen. Walking around a little slow. So I'm kind of interested, how many beetles does the beetle trap actually capture? So I'm going to cut this thing open and count. Well, that looks like a lot. Look at that. Can you see that? Those are all dead small hive beetles. There's even one alive one there. That's how many the small hive beetle traps will catch. That's crazy. That's so great.